Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix promotion cannot be redeemed in Shopee. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Shopee, click on the sign up option. And from here, you can use your Google account, your Facebook account, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, if you encounter any situation where a promotion cannot be redeemed on Shopee, there are potential reasons behind the issue, alright? Now, as you can see, there are vouchers already available here at the platform, and I'm gonna click on it, alright, so that we can check the vouchers to use. Alright, so when you click on vouchers, there's basically a promotions for terms and conditions right here. Okay, so basically just use any vouchers that you wanted for a specific item that you wanted to buy, and obviously you can redeem it. But the problem is, all right, there are specific vouchers that needs to meet a certain terms and conditions. If it's not met, you're not going to be able to use that on your purchases. All right, now let's try to use a voucher on one of our item. Okay, right here. So I'm gonna click on this Colgate portable water flosser right here, and I'm gonna use the voucher itself. Now, for me to be able to do that, I have to hover down below where it says shop of vouchers right here. So, as you can see, as I've mentioned earlier, there are terms and conditions because for a specific voucher like this one, the shop of vouchers, it expires within the 8 hours. Say, for example, you didn't you just put the specific item into your add to cart and you didn't bought that in real time. And once you use the voucher that you think is applicable, you're not going to be able to use that because it already expired, right? Now, other vouchers has a minimum spend of 499 pesos, right? Now, the item is 3,280 pesos. And say, for example, if it does not meet the minimum spending amount, you're not going to be able to redeem that, all right? So you have to be aware of these specific vouchers. Now, I'm going to use this one to claim, all right? So just to make sure that we are right use. Okay, so there are vouchers that you can use in one purchase. Say, for example, there are 7 vouchers that you can use, but there are that you could never use it twice in one purchase. All right, so you have to be aware of that because, as I've mentioned, you must meet the promotion terms and conditions. All right, now the next thing is there are also exclusive vouchers that's available only for Shopee loyalty. All right, and if you try that voucher and if you don't have met the corresponding terms and conditions, say for example you click on the claim now option, just wait for a little bit. Okay, as you can see, there's a how it works kind of guidelines, because you can never redeem this promotional voucher if you do not meet the terms and conditions. All right, just make sure you enter the Shopee loyalty program so you would be able to use that. Now, otherwise, if you have more further questions about the loyalty or any issues about your redemption vouchers here in Shopee, I suggest you contact the Shopee Help Center. These are the channels that you can contact them, especially if you encounter in a situation where a promotion cannot be redeemed on Shopee. All right. And of course, again, there are several reasons behind that. But again, a live agent or the internet call or an in-app call would be more than sufficient for you to be able to troubleshoot all the things that you need for you to fix the promotion cannot be redeemed in Shopee. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.